This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing materials and making the first cut. Measure and cut sheets to your chosen size, 3x3 or 4x4 inches, because consistent size ensures neat stacks. Once cut, mark a 0. 5-inch header across the top of each sheet. This reserved strip will hold the adhesive and keep notes usable. Make sure to keep the pile aligned and square as you work, since straight edges make later steps, like coating and drying, much easier and faster. Once the stack is aligned, apply adhesive along the 0. 5-inch header. Use a glue stick for flexibility or 0. 5-inch double-sided tape for cleaner results. Spread evenly so the edge bonds, but the sheets still peel. Next, press the stack under a flat weight or clamp. Allow 10-20 minutes for glue to tack. Then test by peeling a single sheet. You want partial adhesion so notes come off cleanly. If sheets stick too hard, reapply a lighter adhesive or add a release layer. Finish by trimming any uneven edges and removing excess glue from the header with an eraser or thin spatula to avoid mess. If you plan to store or gift them, insert a release strip like wax paper between the top sheet and adhesive. Make sure to let the adhesive cure fully overnight for stronger long-term hold. If sheets tear when peeled, reduce adhesive amount, use a lighter tack glue, or allow the glue to dry longer before stacking. That solves most common problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.